This, on the other hand, if you have any ideas, let me know. Hi, welcome back. I think tonight we're gonna work on fender a little bit more, and I'm gonna take the kick panel off, and I think I might start cutting it. I feel I'm gonna have to, like I said, cut the top of it, kick the bottom out that way, so that the indentation here lines up with where this pillar is right now. So we may put the pillar back straight on the kick panel where it was before, slowly rotate the kick panel that way, and see how much we need to get this where it's level, within level, I think. Yeah. But they'll put another screw in it, and then we'll have to mark, don't know the best way about doing that, of a straight line across where that flange is, right underneath it, and then we're probably gonna have to start right in here and do like a pie. Probably won't be that drastic, but just enough so this will be gonna be kicked up some, and the top's gonna have to come down to meet it to make this level again. Anyways, that's my plan. And then we'll see what the fender did, which looks pretty good, and kind of flip it, put some more of that stripping gel on the top of it. But anyways, let's head over there and I'll kind of do a little bit more in depth with what I'm thinking about doing. I'm gonna look at the fender as well. All right, here's what the fender looks like. I think that gel worked pretty well. Have to get a scraper in here and scrape this back, but I'm pleased with how it went. We'll flip it where this is up, come along and paint this whole side with that stuff, citrus stripping gel. May have to get some more. Now let's head over here and I'll show you what I'm thinking about doing. Thinking about putting this, you're taking this outer rocker off, putting this back in line with this, where the indentation is, kind of where it needs to set. Taking that screw out, unclamping it, and then moving this up, out this way, until this gets back level like this. Let me go get my level right quick. All right. Says it's kind of off level, but we're gonna have to get that level and then check our width. Make sure it's the right width from door pillar to door pillar. If that kicked out and that moved over this way, that's gonna be way off. A little bit of tweaking to do, but I think we can get there. I also need to fix the back of this. I think that's kind of hindering me too, but we'll worry about that later. I'm gonna set you over here, then we'll get to start on this. I just came out here and I'm already starting to sweat, so let's get to work. I'm gonna hold off on this for tonight. The door kind of fit in there. I don't know. I moved this inner rocker up a little bit. I don't know if you noticed, but it had quite a big gap down here. There's quite a lot of room right here. And this isn't real bad, but just a pretty big gap. So I'm not sure exactly what to do at the moment. I do got my distance here, and this bracket is bolted in. This is still pretty level. And I don't think, I might do a little cutting right here. Work this on the back just to bring, just bring this down a little bit. So I'll probably cut it right underneath the bend here and mark it on the back side here. Cut that out and just bend this down. If y'all think that's a good idea. And this moved up a little bit, but I think we're gonna turn our attention to this, scrape this off, see what's underneath it, then flip the fender up and coat this whole top side here. All right, I like using that a lot better than that little sander. It seemed to work pretty well. That's what the original color was, Wimbledon white. So we'll hopefully get all this taken off. Seemed to work pretty good. Sorry, it's already bubbling up. It's working pretty quick. So let this sit tonight and we'll scrape it off tomorrow. And then hopefully we can hammer out that dent somewhere in here and weld up these holes, drill those out, take those off, and spray with that self-etching primer. Be ideal next day or two. But yeah, we're gonna get this taken care of up here. And we'll flip it back, get this little part, and whatever else we haven't tried to get the paint off yet. This on the other hand, if you have any ideas, let me know. This is pretty level, as in from side to side. I think this is how this needs to go. If y'all look at it, let me know if I'm going on the right track here. It looks okay, but I need to get the hinges so I can actually put the hinges on the door. And I'll have to use this, and I can stand back here and look at it. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. Get some hinges, or find my old ones. Well, you see how much it shifted down there and right here. So let me know if my idea is okay about cutting a straight line underneath here. Mark it on the back side here, and just cutting that little pie shape out, and then flatten this down and welding that seam back up. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Still don't know about that. Yeah, let me know if my idea is right thinking going on there. That outer rocker is, I really need to get the hinges so I can set the door on that and make sure it's level, and then I can start gapping everything. I'm gonna look for those tomorrow. They should be in here, or they should, I know I took them off. But I'll look back in the barn, and if I can't find them, I'll order some. We may have to hold off on this till I get them, but I'll get some. In the meantime, we'll concentrate on the fender. It's bubbling up pretty good right now, so scrape all that back off, put some more on it next time, and I may flip it around and grind some on the pasture side if I don't find my hinges. Anyways, yeah, we'll continue on. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, it does mean a lot to the channel. I don't know if the raccoon's still in here or not. I left the door open all day and all night last night. I took the cat food out, so hopefully he won't come back. But I didn't hear anything, so I'm gonna shut the door tonight, get the cats out and shut the door. But anyways, that's going off in left field. Thank you for watching. Post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Comments really do help a lot. I think too, we may go back over here, try to weld up those pinholes a little bit more. I may end up keeping that one down there if I can weld them up good enough. Other side, I think it's a total loss. Probably have to get new. We might turn the passenger side around, check the outer rocker, passenger door like we're doing here. Seeing if we need to, hate to say it, but knock welds loose, drill them out, and reposition stuff. Don't want to, but may have to, depending on how everything fits. I didn't do this with the passenger side, so that's kind of scared me. We'll continue on. I hope everybody has a happy and safe 4th of July, wherever you're at. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.